Hi, I'm Steve and welcome to episode 7. So join Rhonda and myself as we explore Lightning Ridge. We camped at Lorne Station on 10,000 acres, just minutes from the centre of town. One of the must-sees is the John Murray Art Gallery. And here are some of the hilarious artworks. Plenty of local characters just willing to tell you their story and have a chat. So he's telling me, Ronnie, he was offered $3 million for it.
Really?
Yeah.
Good God.
$3 million. And that's if you're saying it went to auction, if it'll
Look, I mean, look, this bloke could have been pulling my leg for all I know, but he reckoned it would go for 3 to 4 million. So, do you want to make me an offer?
Yeah.
I'll organise transport for you.
Yeah.
I would prefer to see this stay in Lightning Ridge, to be
Oh
honest.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's where it belongs.
But look, I don't know. Next few months' time, I turn 70. I treat this as a hobby.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's not a. I don't make a living out of it. That's for sure.
Yeah.
So are you still mining or?
Oh, I'm not that bloody stupid.
Yeah, they are over here, aren't they?
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so you can join us on our next episode.